Amazon payments, how much you will get, when you will get, and where you will get. So, if you are a new Amazon seller or thinking to start your Amazon business and you are curious about when you will get paid from Amazon, how much you will get paid, and where you will get paid, so you will get the answer of all of your questions in this video. So keep on watching till the end. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels and Redbubble. And on this channel, I share my knowledge with you people so you can do the same and build your online business. So if you are interested in learning about the fastest and easiest way to make money online, which can give you profit in your first 7 days, then make sure to sign up for my free 30 minutes webinar from the link below so you can also achieve financial freedom like me and leave your 9-to-5 job. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Alright, so as we were discussing about the Amazon payment, so you can see on my computer screen, I'm on my Seller Central. So first of all, let's see how much we can get paid from Amazon. So for that, you have to click on reports and then you have to click on payments. So this will be the payment tab where you can see all of your payment, like all of your current payment, all of your balance payment and all of your deducted payments which Amazon deduct for your for the storage of your inventory and for the shipping of your inventory. So here you can see that my total balance is £3,189. That means this will be the balance that will be paid out to me next time. So Amazon will pay you twice a month, like after every 2 weeks. But if your account is new, then the first payment might get late. If you are to be paid from Amazon for the first time, then you might get paid after 1 month. But once this cycle keeps going on, then Amazon will pay you bi-weekly. So you can see that the total balance is £3,189. And when I go down, so you can see that this is the graph, and on the top right corner you can see the recent payouts. Like Amazon has paid me last month £2,506 and the next payment which I will get in my account will be £3,189. So when I go further down, you can see that on the left corner there is a breakdown of all that payment which I'm going to be getting from Amazon. You can see the account level reserve for my account is £0 now and the expense are minus £42. And the sales for today is £229. So this is the balance for today and this is the whole balance which I will get paid next. And if I go further down, so you can see that this is the graph and the above graph is blue and the lower graph is red. And on the above graph you can see that the product charges are £224 for today, the shipping charges are £4.49, promote rebates £6.65, Amazon fee £34 and others £1.35. So in that way, in this section, you can see the breakdown of your payments. Like today, if you get 10 sales and the revenue you get is £300, then here you can see like how much money from that £300 you will get, how much money Amazon will take as a storage fee or shipping fee. And if you got any return or refund, then you will be able to see that money here as well. Like how much Amazon refund your customer if your customer has returned the product or so on. So when you go up, so you will be able to see the exact amount you will be paid next time. So that was the answer of first question. Now the second question is when you will get paid. As I've told you that Amazon will pay you bi-weekly, like twice a month. But if you want to know the date when you will get paid, so for that you have to go down again. And here you can see that the transfer of £3,189 scheduled to initiate at 23 March 2022. Amazon is telling me here on 23rd date of this month, this value will be credited in my account. So that's the answer of question number 2. Now the question number 3, where you will get this amount credited. So for that you need to understand two things, deposit method and a charge method. So there will be two methods, deposit method and a charge method that you have to attach on your Seller Central account. Like the charge method will be the credit or debit card which will be on your name, that can be of any bank. So you will have to add the charge method to your Amazon account. From that Amazon will deduct the Amazon fee, the monthly fee from your card, and Amazon will deduct the advertising fee from that card as well. And later on you can just convert that deduction of the Amazon PPC or advertising campaign fee from this payment. But initially when you will be having zero amount in your Seller Central, then Amazon will deduct the advertising money from your card. That will be charge method. So now the second thing will be deposit method. So this will be the account where your Amazon earning will be credited. So if you wanted to check that what card you have attached from Amazon as a charge method and which bank account you have attached on Amazon as a deposit method in which that money will be credited on 23rd of this month. So for that you have to go to your Seller Central, settings, click on account info, and then from the top you can see that payment information. So under that tab you can see two options, bank account information and charge method. So when you click on that bank account information, you will be able to see the deposit method like the bank which you have attached to Amazon, and on the same bank you will be able to get the amount which Amazon will pay you. And if you want to know about the charge method, like from which Amazon will deduct your monthly fee and your advertising fee, so for that you have to click on that charge method. So by doing so, you will be able to know about both methods, the deposit method and the charge method. So that's it for today's short video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have learned something from this video and this video helps you, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video as well. And if you want to ask anything about your e-commerce business, your Amazon business, so you can just ask me in the comment box below. I will surely try to answer your question. Or if you wanted to schedule a one-on-one call with me, so you can just schedule that call from the link in the description below. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.